When is the right time to fire a lash client? Hi, I'm Diana. I'm the owner of Lash'd Eyelashes, and I've been a lash artist for 12 years, and I'm based in Melbourne. We've all had those clients that give us trouble and anxiety, the ones that don't pay their deposits, that try to shortchange us, the ones that always rock up to their appointments late. This is how you're going to deal with them. I know it's really hard to put your boundaries in place with clients because you think you're going to lose business. But let me tell you, if a client is giving you trouble and anxiety, it's going to affect the rest of your business. Over the years, I've learned that your mental health is a priority, and if your mental health isn't in a good state, the rest of your business will go downhill as well. It's best to give them a warning and let them know what they've done wrong to make them aware of the situation and why it affects you. And yes, sometimes you will get those clients where you've told them once, twice, 3 times and they don't listen. That's when they need to be fired. So the best way to break up with a client would be to send a formal email if that's your preferred choice of communication. In person, I would not do it by text. I think text is very unprofessional. If they don't respect your decision in this, then they're definitely not a client that you want on your books, and there'll be more room for new clients to come in once you get rid of them. If Lash business tips are what you're after, then please like and follow for more, and I'll provide some more content.